Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make this mushroom and spinach pasta as promised in my last video. I'm taking 2 cups of fusilli pasta. You can use whatever pasta you want. I'm adding it to some boiling water with salt. When it's done, I'm draining it and mixing in some butter so it doesn't stick. Also saving that pasta water. Then I'm just roughly chopping up some baby spinach. I just used 1 whole bag of it. I'll write the measurement in the description box below. Then I'm chopping up 1 cup of button mushrooms. Very finely chopping 4 cloves of garlic. Now to a hot pan, I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I'm adding in the spinach we had chopped up. Not adding any salt to this because there's salt in the butter. Once it's softened, I'm going to remove it from the pan. To a clean pan, I've added 2 tablespoons of butter and as much pepper as I like. Now I'm sauteing the garlic and adding in my mushrooms. Then I'm adding my preferred level of crushed chilies. Now I'm adding a 1/4 cup of milk and a tablespoon of butter. I'm transferring the spinach back to the pan. Now I'm combining my pasta, grating some Parmesan cheese, and then adding in some of that pasta water. I'm only adding about 1/4 cup, but you can add less than this or more on this depending on how gooey you want your pasta. I'm grating some more of that Parmesan. And the pasta is ready. Now I'm just transferring it to a bowl and adding some more crushed chilies and Parmesan cheese to it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time!